In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset Xiaomi router. To do this, first you will need to grab your router and then turn it around. Right here, you'll be able to find a button. Click and hold it while looking at the two lights at the front. So you should hold this button for something like 7 to 8 seconds, then the lights should turn off and then you will see the orange light on the bottom, and after that basically your router should return to factory settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.